Ellen, gumiling-hiling habang nakapatong kay Derek, netizens na bastusan, yan ang dapat patawan ng 12-day suspension. Marami ang quite naloka sa stretching video ng mag-asawang Derek Ramsey at Ellen Adarna. The couple posted it kasi sa kani-kanilang Instagram account and there are those who particularly didn't like it as they find it salacious. Just another day in Casa de Ramsey. Say ni Derek sa kanyang caption. Na sinagot naman ni Ellen ng, how to take care of your girl. With that video ay merong mga nahalayan sa ginawa ng mag-asawa. Nakapatong kasi si Ellen kay Derek at gumigiling-hiling ito. Yaks, dapat may mga limits din ang post between adult partner. Dahil may mga bata na sa action ninyo, ay sexually suggestive masyado. No better than doing such actions. Hope children won't see this, just know the limits guys. Parang hindi kayo seryoso sa buhay nyo, di na maganda at ang sagwa. Yan dapat ong may 12 days suspension hindi ong icing issues sa It's Showtime. Papansin much. Need so much attention to post this kind of stuff. I really love Ellen Afar na I am very proud to say she was my fav. Kasi prangka guwapa pa. This one I do not like. Kasi I know naman wild sila pero dapat ay lugar din naman ganito between husband and wife. I still love you Ellen, hinay-hinay lang oy. Yan ang reaction ng ilang netizens. Meron din namang nagtanggol sa magjowa. Good for you both. Sad relationships and lonely people are the only ones reacting unfavorably. Looks like stretching. If you're a true fan of Derek, you know he does a lot of stretching and exercises and hip flexibility exercises etc. It's only your mind that's not thinking well. Pumunta ako sa comment section para malaman kung ano ang mabibuild sa ganang exercise, tapos ganito mga mababasa ko. Ha exercise lang talaga nasa isip ko, since mag-asawa naman sila kaya hindi ko naisip na malaswa. Susmibat naman nila ay papastif malaswa diba? Mind your own business people. What masagwa? It only shows how fit they are, it's on your mind though.